Many people living with diabetes think that waking up several times at night to use the bathroom is simply part of getting older. But what if it's actually your body's way of waving a red flag? For some, these frequent bathroom trips are an early warning sign of a deeper health issue, one that can quietly sabotage your sleep, drain your energy, and even make diabetes harder to control. I'm glad you're here, because today we'll look at simple, natural ways to stop those nightly interruptions so you can finally rest. Welcome to Health Center, your trusted space for practical, science-backed health tips that make a real difference. One patient once shared that before being diagnosed with diabetes, they would wake up every 2 hours at night to urinate. At first, they thought it was normal aging, but the constant interruptions left them exhausted and foggy during the day. Only later did they learn their high blood sugar levels were driving the problem. Once they started managing their diet and blood sugar better, the bathroom trips reduced, and they could finally enjoy deep, refreshing sleep again. Stories like this are more common than you think, and they highlight why ignoring nighttime urination can be risky. Frequent nighttime urination, known as nocturia, isn't always harmless. If left unaddressed, it can interfere with blood sugar control and even raise the risk of serious complications. The good news? Relief doesn't always require medication. In fact, certain vitamins, combined with small lifestyle changes, can significantly reduce the number of nightly bathroom visits and help you wake up feeling truly rested. Vitamin D is often praised for its role in strong bones and a healthy immune system, but its impact on bladder health is just as important. Inside your bladder are vitamin D receptors that help regulate muscle function. When your body is low in vitamin D, those muscles can weaken or become overactive, leading to more frequent urges to urinate, especially at night. Research shows that individuals with low vitamin D levels often report more bladder-related issues, including nocturia. Getting enough vitamin D is simpler than most people think. Spending just 15 to 20 minutes outdoors in sunlight each day can trigger your skin to naturally produce this essential nutrient. Food sources like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines, along with fortified cereals, dairy products, and egg yolks, also help. And if you live in a place with limited sunlight or spend most of your time indoors, a vitamin D supplement may be worth discussing with your doctor. Maintaining healthy levels can improve bladder control and reduce those disruptive nighttime wake-ups. If vitamin D supports muscle strength, magnesium is the nutrient that helps those muscles relax when they should. Known for its calming effect on both muscles and nerves, magnesium plays a key role in preventing sudden bladder spasms and urgent nighttime urges. A deficiency can make the bladder overactive, which means more trips to the bathroom and less restful sleep. Studies from the National Institutes of Health and the Cleveland Clinic have shown that magnesium supplementation can ease symptoms of overactive bladder, a major cause of nocturia. You can find magnesium in leafy greens like spinach and kale, in nuts such as almonds and cashews, seeds like pumpkin and sunflower, and in whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. For those who struggle to get enough through diet alone, supplements can help restore balance and improve bladder control. By calming the nerves that tell your bladder it's time to empty, magnesium gives you a better chance of sleeping through the night without interruption. While magnesium soothes, vitamin C protects. Most people know it for its immune-boosting power, but vitamin C also reduces inflammation in the bladder and urinary tract. Inflammation can send false signals to your brain, making you feel like you need to urinate even when your bladder isn't full. By reducing this irritation, vitamin C can cut down on those unnecessary nighttime trips. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, which helps maintain the strength and elasticity of bladder tissues. Stronger bladder walls can hold more urine for longer, meaning fewer interruptions to your sleep. On top of that, vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting bladder cells from oxidative stress, a hidden cause of bladder irritation. Citrus fruits, berries, bell peppers, and broccoli are all excellent sources. If your diet falls short, a supplement can be a simple way to support bladder health. Of course, vitamins alone won't solve everything. Small changes to your daily routine can go a long way. Try limiting fluids a couple of hours before bedtime, avoiding caffeine and alcohol in the evening, and elevating your legs before sleep to help prevent fluid from pooling in your lower body. Maintaining a healthy weight and practicing pelvic floor exercises can also strengthen bladder control. Even regular walking can improve circulation and muscle tone, further supporting nighttime bladder function. By combining these three vitamins, D, magnesium, and C, with simple lifestyle adjustments, you can take control of nocturia naturally. That means fewer nights spent staring at the ceiling after a bathroom trip and more nights of deep, restorative sleep. And remember, small, consistent steps can make a big difference in your energy, mood, and overall well-being. Have you ever noticed a change in your sleep after making a small health adjustment? I'd love to hear your experience in the comments. Which of these vitamins do you already include in your routine? And if you found this video helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Always check with your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement routine, especially if you have underlying conditions or take medication. Your health deserves professional guidance and careful attention. Thank you for spending this time with me today. I hope you sleep better, feel stronger, and enjoy brighter mornings ahead.